I'm happy to see everyone here together to celebrate the grand opening of the first Sepak Takraw court in St. Paul. And I think it's the first public Sepak Takraw court in the nation, right? Yes. All right. So let's applaud big time for that. And I know, as I said earlier, that our Minnesota community has been talking about having this kind of recreation, like the Takraw court here and the Tulu court over there, back in the late 1990s. And there has been many factors why it takes us this long to get here, nearly 20 years to get them built. And 20 years is a long time. It can push many of you who were skillful Takraw player in your younger days to pass your prime, like what Li Pao said earlier. And even an aficionado like myself, who just want to build recreational field for people, my interest had already gone cold. But thanks to some of you who came to my office after I took the Senate in 2013 and asked for support, I was reminded of the connectivity this game can bring our community together. And at the same time, the potential for our young players to excel in the international sport arena. After all, the best Takraw players are here in Minnesota. And I know that every time Team Minnesota set their foot on the court, the other side would tremble. Am I right on that? Yeah. All right. And that's a pride that I want for us. And that's a pride that I want for Minnesota. And would you like that too? All right. And it was that notion of pride that motivated me to get funding, to find partners like Representative Leon Lilia and Representative Peter Fisher. And although it takes us a while, what mattered most is that we had them done. We have it here. And there's 3 here, and there's 2 at Delaware, Maryland. And much credit go to the Sepak Takraw of USA for your persistence and also your determination. Now these Takraw field will be here for everyone, especially our new generation and beyond. May the players who come here improve their skill many-fold, as well as having good friendship and good sportsmanship. May everyone have good exercise at the playground, be injury-free, and share this court among players of different backgrounds, fairly and equally. And I know you will do that. I look forward to see more success from here and more champions to be made. Have fun and take good care of this court as well as the surrounding environment and keep them clean. Now I'm going to switch to Hmong for a little bit. Nhớ rong sụt là nu nó rong chạy rong nhong cứ biết tôi xí sau ok. Tôi kêu lu bê lu tàn giờ cái to nó ha chỉ một alu nhớ cho tỏ Maryland ha đèo. Cũng một chú mong cứ tàu sở chế cho bê sinh phố phử nhớ sang East Side nó ha sở chế cho bê sinh phố phử nhớ cho lúc sinh Mesta nó. Tao một phiền chỗ lu băng ha lu cổng lu chỉ trang tới chơi xí nó cứ mua mong một phiền chỗ nhớ cho hồ ha giờ mong lại tình tù. Nu nó cứ bê kê lu tàn giờ cái to nó tháo cổ bê chỗ một cái thay nhang sinh một cái phong cái dư một cái nó cá nhớ rồng chỉ đang là cổ ý lệnh bao ý lệnh một cái xí băng hay một cái hữu sinh chỉ đang là cổ bê mong lu công lu mình cứ cho cứ lô nó cổ bố tê chú chỉ là cổ thốt láng chỉ hà cổ bê lu công mình bao thông thế chén nó sẽ chỉ cổ bê lu công mình bao thông lu cam tù nó. And I have one simple, small idea. You know, we always want to make a tour guide, Hmong tour guide. You know, a tour guide could be a page or 2 pages you flip around with map. You know, a couple of years ago, we may not have enough location to put it there, maybe just 1 or 2. But today, you know, we have location like Hmong Charter School, many Hmong Charter School, as well as, you know, Hmong Village, Hmong Town, and the Veteran Memorial, Nhớ Trổ Lu Vang Long. Nhớ chỗ vang hồn trái kinh, thằng đó một chỗ chả tàn đào tu lu, một chỗ lu vang phong dư, cứ mong một phiền chỗ nhớ chỗ hú, thằng đó chơi cá to lên nó, một chỗ chả cứ mang khong night market, han đòn tàu giang,แต่chỗ giàu chỗ bé ô lu cứ ít lại phan biệt là, cứ rong ấy, thằng từ bé tô chắc bé giàu là tô phô chữ lại là, chỗ xiong bé chế chỗ bé giàu phong dư cứ tô chẳng lá tô hát chế chỗ giàu phong dư cứ chơi họ chỉ bao chữ mong,แต่chỗ 尽量去比我一看有用意了喏，古山开考主意喏做面前是。俾我到底人咧攞有你對但哦，直接到走攞來移民多俾都學到有抽啦，你攞你對對但哦，就坐路這有區看攞下啦，好像咩電路咩個支端支股哈，都俾圖啦哦，自動夠走移民擔好我學差俾都學到有抽好啦，但到路啦都人都有抽攞邊指導咗好，佢學直接又俾學到啦，誒，但係有咩摸那裡注意嗱注意攞啦咩學端支股誒，俾學指望指庫路啲路抽到仲有養當啲。เขาคือคุณชายช่างนั่นเองคุณชายก็มองจมูกเกชิลูมองเกหูเซ็งก็จะโลแล้วมองเกเจ้าเกนเจมองเกเกินเล่าเกินดาวฮะก็สุดเลยมองลูกโปรชาลูชิกงเตโอเตาเตอย่างจริงจริงเลยเนาะฮะจิตางดาวปังมองลูกชาปังจนหรือปังเปิด and this is exciting time for the East Side St. Paul as a matter of fact not just the Dulu field but we're gonna have a you know, nature interpreter center, the Wankan TP Center down Lower Finland Creek. We're going to have a lot of amenity improvement here on the east side. We're going to have, Conway Rec, soccer dome, and we're going to have, soccer field and Highwood Hill for the Somali community. So this is exciting time for the east side St. Paul. And we're going to try to intermingle with each other in different culture. We're going to break into those culture bubbles, and everybody going to come here and play Takraw together, whether you black, white, Somali, Oromo, Latino, we're going to be here together and we're going to, enjoy the nature down there at the Wankan TP Center at the Low Fan Creek Project. We're going to play soccer together at Conway Rec. We're going to also play soccer together with the Somali community at Highwood Hill area. So I just want to relay that to you that this is exciting time. We're just going to make it happen. Our economy is good. We just need to add more single housing or multiple housing at all those empty lots, and we'll be okay, but this is just the beginning. So thank you very much for being here.